Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Captain GINYU from Dragon Ball Z Kai. Okay, for starters, here's what you must know. You see, Captain GINYU, he's the leader of the GINYU Force, which were hand selected by Frieza himself. Plus, they've got latent abilities. And, honestly, I don't know what happens next. But, you see, the GINYU Force is compressed of 5. There's Recoome, Bruter, Jice, Golo, and GINYU himself. Fun fact about Captain GINYU, he has the ability to switch bodies with anyone, which is kind of a bummer, actually. Because, when he first appeared, you see, Captain GINYU, his ability, he swapped bodies with Goku and put his own body at risk. Makes me wonder, I don't think this was Captain GINYU's body. I wonder if he stole it from somebody else. You know, because has one of the many people with the ability to swap bodies. Kind of like how Zamasu stole Goku's body in the future. Anyways, when you start drawing him, you want to start with the eyes. And, you see his head is sort of a brainy-like thing. Okay. Here's his nose. Here's his mouth. GINYU! Anyways, you see, he made a return in Dragon Ball Super when he swapped bodies with Tagoma after Gotenks headbutted Tagoma in the balls. Funny, right? That was the most funniest scene yet. It's really ridiculous. And, truth was, all of his the GINYU Force, all of his powers were, you see, he was killed. You see, when Goku and Vegeta came back to Earth, they found GINYU, and Vegeta just killed him. And took Tagoma's body with him. I get a bad feeling that Tagoma might return someday, and he might even start his own Legion of Chaos. I sure hope not. Now then, let's get started on finishing this picture. Now that we got his skin ready, there's his body. Next up is the logo on his chest, where there's his chest plate. Okay, next up is his arm. Both of them, actually? They don't. Okay. Okay, here's his hand. Okay, we got GINYU's head and his hands in one piece. Here's the parts of his brain. There we go. And that's how you draw Captain GINYU. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, here's a funny thing. Remember when the GINYU Force was on King Kai's planet? And they were trying to entertain him? Too bad they didn't get sent to hell for that. Anyways, I'll see you guys again soon. And that's pretty much all the time I have. See ya.